ICE officers are courageous heroes, upholding the rule of law and keeping our citizens safe. And they have the full and unwavering support of this president.
Continuing coverage this afternoon of nationwide immigration crackdowns. As immigration enforcement raids and detentions ramp up in the country, many are wondering, what does this mean for those of us in Oregon? Rocky Walker reports.
It's not really about immigration. This is not about immigration. It's about fair processes.
Laura Lindley Gutierrez is a local immigration attorney, working to keep immigrants in line. What that means is within the legal citizenship process. But she says at any given time, these standards are changing, closing the window of legality for people in the system.
Suddenly and out of nowhere, these benefits are being taken away from folks. And so they've applied, they've done the thing, and now they're no longer protected from removal or deportation. And they're really, really scared.
One of her specialties is representing children who've been abandoned, abused, or neglected in the country. These children previously had protections from deportation, but now those protections no longer exist, with orders for deportation targeting them.
This is contrary to, I think, what our civil society requires, which is that we actually protect vulnerable people, not send them back to places where they are at risk of being injured or killed.
She says the local ICE office in Medford has stopped check-ins, pushing people to Portland and Eugene to do these processes.
I believe it does put our community members more at risk to go to Portland because they don't know the ICE officers checking them in.
She mentioned people who've been in the process of seeking asylum, going to court in Eugene and Portland, then being detained. She says this is now a time of processes being undone and for the community to learn more about the immigrant experience before politicizing and coming to a conclusion on a community she says is under attack.
If you can meet somebody who has had the immigrant experience, I think it can shift people's understanding of what's happening, and they could tap into the real seriousness of the situation.
In Jackson County, I'm Rocky Walker.